I used the Apple Watch Series 5 as a benchmarking tool and I was really impressed with the Mi Band 5 heart rate sensor. Please stay tuned guys for the results. Mi Band 5 is priced at about $27 for non-NFC variant and about $32 for NFC variant, but prices may vary depends on your location and exchange rates. Okay, for its physical size and aesthetics, it's actually pretty much identical to Mi Band 4, but the moment you turn on the display, you'll see the difference. The screen is larger and brighter than its predecessor. The screen is 1.1-inch AMOLED display with 126 by 294 resolution, while the Mi Band 4 is just 0.95-inch. The screen is brighter too with a maximum brightness of 450 nits, while the Mi Band 4 has 400 nits only. You have 1,000 more or less watch faces to choose from and can be downloaded through the Mi Fit app. On paper, the Mi Band 5 improved its monitoring accuracy by 40% and also heart rate regularity monitoring by 50%. Does it really improve? Let's see the results of my first attempt during the relax or idle mode. Okay, as you can see, the Mi Band 4 and 5 have the same results and they were really close to Apple Watch Series 5. When doing exercise, here are the results. Actually, I wasn't expecting that the Mi Band 5 has almost identical results to the Apple Watch Series 5, which is priced at $500 to $600. Guys, making the review takes so much time and effort. Guys, can you do me a favor? Please subscribe and like this video because that makes me encouraged to continue uploading videos like this. Okay, let's go back to the review. Since I wasn't able to jog because we're still locked down here, I just did 100 steps and here are the results. I'm just wondering what happened to Apple Watch because it counts only 20 steps. Okay, the Mi Band 5 is water resistant up to 50 meters in depth for 10 minutes. For the camera trigger, this feature will allow you to use your Mi Band 5 as a Bluetooth camera shutter to your phone. Okay, for the battery life, of course, it depends on how you use it. My settings are 3 out of 5 level of brightness. Automatic heart rate monitoring is turned on as well. Since I'm working from home, I also made sure that I'll never miss any notifications from Microsoft Teams, Skype, and emails. So having that said, I receive a lot of notifications during weekdays. Okay guys, these are the things that I like about the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Brighter and larger screen than the Mi Band 4. Reliable heart rate monitor. It's actually comparable with Apple Watch Series 5 based on my results. Great battery life, strong vibration motor, you can actually wake up by its own alarm. Accurate sleep tracking, magnetic charging is really handy, and finally, it's low price. Actually, it's really hard to give cons here because of its low price. But anyways, here are the cons. Same design with its predecessor. Only minimal upgrade to Mi Band 4. Mi Band 5 is so easy to recommend to everyone because of its competitive price tag and features that you can get from it. But if you have your Mi Band 4 already, I recommend you to skip this model because the changes are only minimal for me. Get the Mi Band 5 if you want the following features: brighter and larger screen, magnetic charging, additional sports mode, menstrual cycles features for women, more or less 1,000 watch faces that can be downloaded through the Mi Fit app. Okay guys, there you have it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like this video. That makes me encouraged to create more content like this. Okay guys, see you on the next video. Peace.